In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create, customize, and send an email campaign. Whether you're looking to reach a small audience or a large network of potential customers, email campaigns are a fantastic tool for digital communication and marketing. So let's dive into the step-by-step process to get your email campaign up and running. To begin, you'll want to open your email marketing platform where we'll create a new campaign. This is your starting point, where all the magic begins. Creating a new campaign effectively sets the tone and structure for the rest of your work. Look for an option or a button that indicates creating a new campaign. It might say something like Create New or Start New Campaign. Click on that and you'll be on your way to crafting a compelling message. Once you've initiated a new campaign, your next move involves choosing a template. Templates are pre-designed layouts that can dramatically simplify the design process. They provide a cohesive structure that you can build upon, allowing you to focus on your message rather than starting from scratch. Browse through the available templates and choose one that best aligns with your campaign's objectives and aesthetics. If you're promoting a sale, for instance, you might want a template that highlights special offers and calls to action prominently. After selecting a template, it's time to customize it to fit your needs. Customization is where you can really make the email your own. This involves editing the text to match your messaging, adjusting the colors to represent your brand, and inserting any images or logos that reinforce your brand identity. Take your time during this stage. Ensure the text is clear and concise, the colors are eye-catching yet professional, and the images are appropriately sized and relevant to your campaign. This personalization helps in connecting with your audience on a more intimate level, increasing the chances of engagement. Finally, when you've tweaked the template to your satisfaction, you're ready to send your email campaign out into the world. Before hitting that send button, double check everything. Ensure that all links are functioning, the text is error-free, and the design looks great across different devices. Consider sending a test email to yourself first. This will help you catch any last-minute issues or mistakes that might have slipped through. Once you're satisfied with how everything appears, it's time to schedule or send out your campaign immediately, depending on the option that fits your timeline. And there you have it. Your email campaign is now on its way to your audience, ready to be opened and appreciated. Don't forget to monitor the results afterwards. This data provides invaluable insights into how your campaign performed and how you can improve future campaigns. Thank you for watching, and I hope you feel more confident in using email campaigns to reach your marketing goals.